In this video, I will show you how to create group chat in Next.js and start using Socket.io. For that, this is our demo after created this app. So if we join a room, I'm giving username and room ID, and you can give any room ID here. But if you join your friend created a new room and you need to join this room, so you must your friend provides room ID in here. So I am just joining or creating new room. That's why I am just giving a random room ID, and I will send to my friend that there will be joined. And for that I have created two incognito tab for testing purpose. So if I join room, okay, so we have no message for this room, and here the online users only on, and this is our user information, this is name, and the avatar is automatic created by Faker.js, and here the unique user ID that generated by crypto. So that is our basic. So we can send a message like hi. So we don't have any member in our chat, so if we want to join a member in chat, so I'm giving the username for another user, and this is the separate browser, and it can be in another country or another device or anything, and they are able to chat in real time each other. So for the join the specific room, this room ID is 123, so I need to give the room ID. After that, just look at this, the online users will be updated, and we'll be able to see the updated members, online users on this room in here. So here we have joined in the room that we have created the two members. We have two members in room, and if we type anything, just type hello, just typing, and look at this in here. On the left side, the typing indicator is showing, and stop typing, it is gone. But we have text on the input, but on inactivity the typing is on. Okay, hello, just sent. Typing indicator also removed, and my message is here, and my friend showing my message on the left side, and my friend own message on the right side. So that is the basic implementation, and I can add multiple user when we're typing, then the indicator will be shown on other users, they are in the room. So I'm just joining another user, 1 2 3, just join room, and you will see the here will be updated both user side, and this is separate browser, and it can be any from any other country in the world, and I am using testing purpose, I am using two separated incognito tab. So just joining room, just update it. So we have three users, avatar automatically generated by the GitHub or from Faker.js, and this is our chat application, and if I type, then the both user will be shown who is typing hi. So just look at this, so both, just look at this, both users is able to see who is typing, and if multiple user typing, then it will be shown the multiple users, but same user in the room or current user will be not shown their own on the chat. They are typing, so multiple users typing like that. How cool is that? So everything is working fine, and storing message, I am using the memory stores, and every user information have their separate user information, and this is the incognito tab. So let's dive into how we can create this chat app. So for this we need to maximize. So here is the GitHub repository. I have already pushed the code on the GitHub, and you can see, and you can easily use it. So the desktop, so git clone, just give the I need to use copy this. Okay, git clone, copy URL, and after that it will create a group chat tutorial on your desktop directory or any directory on your computer, and then you need to go like cd/group chat, but I have cd/ just this name will be best, or your own directory. So I have already installed, and after that you need to install the dependency. For that, just use ban or npm. If you have npm or ban or yarn, you can use, but for this project I am using ban as a package manager. So this is our project, and this is Next.js client, and it is our server, and here is our Express server with socket.io, and here is the shape of data. I am using memory storage for store typing users, online users, and messages. But keep in mind, on the real world project you should use database, dedicated database, but after server restart, server crash anytime, the data will be destroyed. So keep it in mind. For testing purpose I am using just memory storage, and you can use Prisma for storing data, for as ORM you storing data, and you can use any database like MongoDB or Postgres, MySQL, and any database, or SQLite also. So here we have connection and joining room. When join room, we are accepting this data, and this data we are sending from our. So when we have user, then so if we see, look at this, like how we've got and one. So we are creating new room, join room, and we don't have any user in this room. So here you can see the username we have provided on the sheet, on the URL, room ID, it is also set, and the user ID is random ID, and also avatar from the generated by Faker.js. So this is Faker, this is our home page, and this is our form. After submitting form, we are using form action to check everything on the browser URL. So that is it. Every time refresh, every data is persist, and we are getting, and based on this data we are just using this chat and group chat. And for real world you need to use your own like your database authentication and many things that you want. So this is basic purpose, and how you can build like real-time typing, real-time online users, how you can get online users, how to send message in real time to others. So here is our basic functionality, and here we have the smallest component, this typing indicator. Just accept just we are here accepting the private user and current user ID as a params and displaying, and we have some logics here and just displaying here. So everything is simple, and we are just getting the event that we have passed from the server, and we are accepting data, set on data on the user state, and passing data where we need this data. So this is the basic functionality, and you will able to learn everything. So what is the problem is here, timer is not assignable parameter. Time out. Okay, problem is solved. So here is our message list. Just do a new message, and the scroll automatic bottom. So that's why this line, and we are just rendering. So for our chat, just showing the message on the left side or right side. So this is the logic. So here just is if current user message is showing on the left side, and other user on the left side, and current user is right side. So that is it. So everything is here. Just online user dialog, chat, and we're getting we are using like use socket here for reusable, and we are using use memo for recalculation or recalculation this IO or recreate every time. We are using memorized IO every time. So here we are just listening. We are using socket, listening data, set data, and when component unknown, socket.off for these events. So that is it. It is very simple. And so message input. So this is our message input, and we are delay some time when user is typing. So here is some basic logic, and you can see and you find everything on GitHub. And here is our events. Here is send message, just some room, and I have made some complexity here, and you will easily understood everything by just explore the code base, because I made it some complexity because we have need, because like set up online users, we need persist messages, we need getting user information. So for that the functionality is made complexity. So that is our chat application, and you can deploy the chat application in your server. And after that you need to set your server URL in here, like this is localhost URL, localhost is running, everything is working fine for your client. You can customize this chat app that you want exactly. So everything is customizable, easily understandable, and better organized code. I'm using Pan. Pan is very fast package manager, and Pan has own TypeScript compiler that compile TypeScript directly, and you can see Pan has was mode built in, and the Pan can compile TypeScript directly without needing TypeScript compiler like JavaScript. Like normal TypeScript, we need the compile JavaScript. After that it will be workable. So Ban is easily handled. Like Ban, if I add like UID, like you add UID, it is very faster, just 1 or 2 seconds. It is very faster, like than npm or yarn. So this is our setup. So while this is it, we don't need it. Package also don't need. So here is everything. You can try it. So bye bye for this video. I will come back soon with latest video, and I'll try to make a video about how to deploy this app on the server freely. So if you are interested to watch the next video how to deploy, then I will upload. Please write your comments on the comment section. So thank you, bye bye.